The Universe cards. Number 0. Earth. Interpretation. Every journey has its beginning somewhere, its point of origin. The starting point for humanity is always Earth. Our journey through the universe begins and ends with Earth, our precious, life-giving home. There are many wonders in the universe, but there is nothing quite so beautiful and unique as our home planet. If you draw the Earth card, number 0, you are being asked to examine, literally, where are you coming from? What is your point of origin? This may be the town in which you grew up, your family, your ancestors. Determine what has made you who you are, the very source of your being. Look within at who you are fundamentally, without the masks of what you wear for others. Are you in tune with this essential level of your being? Or have you become disconnected from your source? We can often lose touch with who we truly are. Other considerations such as duty, the need to earn a living, or care for others may be dominant in our lives. We may feel that life lacks meaning, although all our material needs are met. Any of these things may indicate that we have lost touch with our source. The Earth card may be telling you that it is time to look within for answers. It's easy to become distracted through the pressures of daily life, work, relationships, family, etc. The Earth card indicates that you need to take some time for yourself. You need quiet time for self-examination, to begin to make the journey within. It may at first seem difficult to justify making time for something as intangible as self-examination, and we also may avoid it because it makes us feel uncomfortable. However, if we continue to ignore the call of the Earth card, we are ultimately cheating ourselves of our own birthright to express freely the essence of ourselves. Activity: asking the Earth for a symbol. Sit quietly in a room in which you feel comfortable. Make sure that the door is closed and that you will be undisturbed. Sit or lie down, close your eyes and take a few minutes to relax. Imagine that you are floating in space above the Earth. Feel what is it like to look down upon your home planet, to see the Earth in its entirety. Now ask the Earth to give you a symbolic object to represent your source. Imagine that the object is slowly floating up towards you from the Earth, gradually coming into focus as it gets closer and closer. When the object reaches you, examine it closely and hold it in your hands. What does it feel like? What is it for? Try not to let your rational mind interfere or judge if the object seems strange or unexplicable. If you are puzzled by the object, ask the earth a question about it. Ask for an explanation of its meaning. Once you have asked all the questions you want, return to the room. Make a drawing of your object and write down your experiences and any answers to questions. Keep the drawing in a prominent place and keep looking at it, reflecting upon it. The object's true meaning will probably reveal itself to you only gradually. Remember, this object symbolizes your source, the essence of who you are.